Hello ladies and gents, welcome to the channel. So want to bring your Figma designs into Android Studio. In this quick guide, I will show you exactly and tell you how exactly to do this. So firstly guys, let us do it step by step. Firstly, export assets from Figma. Open your Figma project, select the components of frames you want to use. Then click Export. At the bottom right, choose PNG, SVG, or even PDF or SFG. Or SVG is best for icons. Hit export and save them locally. Download code via Figma plugins. It's optional. Use the Figma code plugin or Animal plugin if you want to, or if you want auto-generated XML or Jetpack Compose snippets. Install the plugin and run it. Add assets to Android Studio. Open Android Studio in the res/drawable folder. Right-click and choose Import Drawables. Add your PNGs or SFGs directly. After that, guys, you need to use the layout, XML or Compose if you're using XML. There's going to be some commands to use to do that, of course. And that's how you connect your Figma designs to Android Studio fast and clean. If you want full AI to code walkthrough or Jetpack Compose version, and that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, like it and subscribe to us. See you in the next one.